I'm glad to announce a new chapter in my life and in the YouTube channel. So mainly this is my home and this is my one-room apartment. I have a kitchen right there and then a bathroom and then this room which has everything. So here I slept. It's messy now. I'm packing everything up and have the couch, a TV right there, so just for chilling and stuff. And then there I worked and I did my YouTube channel, everything inside one room, which started to be a little bit tight and painful for me. So that's why I was thinking about to move on and to move to another bigger apartment. I think I'm gonna miss this house somehow. I have a lot of memories here, but it's time to move forward. But I want to show you that my room wasn't that big and not that beautiful. What I want to say is just to not give yourself some reasons to not start that, yeah, I have like small room, it's not that beautiful. My room is a bit messy. Actually, my room is also messy, and I'll tell you what I did. Like, I tried to bring some lights, and the lights shoot them to the wall and stuff and give some colors just to cover up some of the downsides of this room, and it worked. And not everybody can notice that, so don't be so picky, just start, and whenever you have an opportunity to upgrade, you can upgrade. And I'm grateful that I didn't start from like a studio. So imagine if I started from a studio, I would be like so much overwhelmed, and I would be like somehow maybe I didn't start that journey. So what I want to say, this was my old room. This is where my studio was. It was a small room. I'm filming that just to show you and motivate you to start making videos whenever you are. Let's see what's going to bring in the new home and the new apartment and in the YouTube channel. Tell me what you want to do videos about, and I can do videos about. The problem is now is that I don't have any kind of communication with you guys, just because I don't have this community tab from YouTube, and I'm really waiting to reach the 500 subscriber mark to be able to talk to you. So this is a mark where I want to reach right now, to be able to talk to you, so then I can give you some video ideas, and then you can tell me which video ideas you like, or if there are other video ideas you like. So this home, I started my YouTube channel, and in the next home I will reach the 500 subscriber mark in my YouTube channel. So now I moved all my stuff up. Today is my last day, or today was my last day, because I'm not gonna leave here today. But I am going to miss this home so much. Let's hope for the best for the next home.
Lipstick left a mark on my cheek, so I keep thinking of you. Whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime? Whoa, can I see you again? Can I see you again sometime? If you'll be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, you wanna do.
Oh, I just finished building the table up. It's the first step in my YouTube studio and in my home workplace. It took a while. It's a huge table, and this is gonna be really good for my setup, because I will have two setups, one for work and YouTube and gaming, and the other for my professional work. So then I have two setups in one, but it took so much time to build, especially alone. It's not that easy. Now, let's see what's next. my YouTube channel after I have set up almost everything. There's still some stuff to be done, but it's like a day and night between this YouTube studio and my previous and former YouTube studio and home office. That's way bigger, it's way larger, a lot of spaces. So here mainly my gaming and YouTube setup here. Here my professional setup. The table is like a corner table, around 220 centimeter, 170 centimeter with 70 centimeter of depth. It's pretty good. I have here my lights, here my fill light, here my key light, here I have the camera directly mounted. No need to reassemble everything every time I want to shoot a video. I have everything set up here and placed in place. Here I want to do some decoration. I have here the boxes of electronic stuff like the computer parts. Yeah, I want to get a shelf here, maybe get some pictures. I'm really hyped for what I'm going to do in this room. And what's cool that everything I can do it just by say it. Like now, Alexa, office lights, cool white. You see, it's amazing. No need to do the YouTube atmosphere with plug and put some lights to the wall. I directly have the YouTube atmosphere directly here, and when I want to do some professional work, I can directly work here. Everything perfect, and I really have a cool, amazing view from here. Guys, it's now like evening. I don't know if you can see something, but the view here is amazing. I really like it. I have done some cable management. So here I have used like kind of cable tray, here one and the other one here. So there's still like minimal cables, not like before. I tried to make everything tidy and everything is like handy in the first place, so no need to go through all the setup process. Every time I want to shoot a video, I have everything in place. I'm thinking also to get some acoustic sponge, or I don't know what they call, to cancel some of the echo that I have here in this room. Hopefully you like the new setup. Hopefully together we can build a really strong community. We can have a lot of fun. We can do a lot of videos. Just let me know what kind of videos you like from me. But I'm really hyped to what I can do. I have a lot of ideas in my mind, but let's see how to implement them. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to that channel and like this video. It helps me to stand in the YouTube world. This is what the signs that we can give to the algorithm that this video is good, or this person is trying to do like a good job. I really need your help, guys. Let's see what we can go further along. See you in the next video. Peace.